Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create this easy everyday winter makeup look. If you like this look, please continue watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.
It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.
To start off, I've used this primer from Lakme Absolute and I've applied it all over my face.
You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And
I moved on to this foundation by Maybelline Fit Me and I've used a beauty blender to apply it all over my face.
And I've been counting days to get away to see you again.
Next, I've used this concealer by Maybelline Fit Me and I've used it to highlight my face, under my eyes, on the bridge of the nose, on my forehead and also around my mouth area. I've blended that using a beauty blender. I have also applied that same concealer onto my eyelid and blended that using that same beauty blender. Moving on to the eyes, I have used that banana powder from NYX palette and I've used it to conceal the places where I had earlier applied the concealer. Moving on to the eyebrows, I've used this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Kit and I've used both the shades to fill in the brows and give my eyebrows some definition.
To let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong.
Next, I used that contour shade from the NYX palette and I've used that shade on the hollows of my cheeks.
To get away to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away.
I've also applied that contour shade on my forehead and also on my jawline. I've also used that shade to contour my nose and used a beauty blender to blend it. Moving on to this L'Oreal Paris La Palette shade, it is in the shade Rose. I've used that light brown shade onto my eyelid and I've blended that using a blending brush. I've also applied that same eyeshadow onto my lower lash line. I've used that pale white gold shade and I've applied it on my brow bone. Next, I've moved on to that pinky mauve shade and I have applied it onto the outer V of my eyes to give some definition to my eyes. And blended that using a blending brush. I have also applied that shade onto my lower lash line. Next, I'll use that peach shade. I'll use my finger to apply it on the inner part of my eyelid. I have blended the edges using that same blending brush. Next, I will take that brown shade and I'll use it on the crease of my eyes. Moving on to the eyelashes, I've used this Essence Lash Princess Mascara and I've applied that mascara onto my upper and the lower eyelashes. I've used this highlighter from MUA and I'll be using this cream highlighter to highlight my cheekbones using my fingers. I'll also apply the highlighter on my brow bone. I've used the same highlighter to apply on the bridge of the nose and also on my cupid's bow. And also on the sides of the forehead. I've used this lip liner from NYX. The shade is Sandpick, and I've used that to apply all over my lips. Next I moved on to this lipstick by Maybelline. The shade is Choco Latte, and I've used that lipstick to dab onto my lips. Next I've moved on to this Hot Pink shade from Makeup Revolution, and I've used my fingers to blend it onto the apples of my cheeks. I've applied that highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes to give my eyes an open look. I've added a pair of false eyelashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye.